This is the Iowa Weather Report for Friday, November 1st, 2013. Now at our first look at the 0Z GFS model run. At 1 p.m. this afternoon, we have a trough moving through the area. Some energy along it, but the main piece of energy is moving up into Canada, and that's taking the frontal system that brought quite a bit of rain to the state over the last few days. It'll be off to our east. There is going to be a disturbance that may bring some clouds, maybe a sprinkle or flurry very late tonight into early on Saturday, but most of the precipitation with that looks to stay mainly to our north and east, and you can see here on Saturday, there could be a few snow showers in the Great Lakes, especially in the eastern Great Lakes. It's going to get cold. Highs on Saturday will be in the 40s to low to mid 50s from northeast to south and west, but that doesn't last long. The pattern continues to be fairly progressive. Winds switch to the south, could be quite breezy Sunday. Highs in the 50s across the state, maybe low 60s in the south and west. A new storm will be coming in. This will be moving up into Canada. The low pressure center will be west of Lake Winnipeg at this point, but a frontal system will come all the way down into Texas. The Gulf will start to open up late Monday and especially into Tuesday as a new low forms in Texas. You can see this could be a lot of heavy rain that'll be coming in, especially late, Tuesday morning, especially Tuesday night into early on Wednesday. Could be quite significant rain. Could end as a wintry mix Wednesday morning as cold air begins to sweep in from the north and west. Wednesday afternoon as the system moves out. Temperatures will jump Tuesday into the 50s to near 60. Wednesday back down into the 40s and 50s, and that looks to stay about the same here on Thursday. High pressure will be overhead. That'll likely drop temperatures down below freezing Thursday morning with highs in mid to upper 40s north to low, maybe mid 50s in the south. And then a week from today, next Friday, another system is beginning to take shape over the northwest and northern California. We have a 588 ridge over the Gulf of Mexico, a flow turning a little bit southwesterly around here. The winds at the surface turn southerly. That's going to boost the temperatures back into the 50s. You can see some precipitation to our north, maybe rain and snow over Minnesota, North Dakota, and quite a bit of snow possibly in the northern Rockies and Montana. A couple days after that, as we go toward November the 12th, still we have a ridge over the Gulf and into the south and east. Our trough digging in across the Rockies and the Intermountain West. We still have the southwesterly flow. We have one system of pretty bombogenesis type blow moving up into Canada. And then we have cold air just sweeping south across the Rockies, the plains, snow in that area. And that could affect us a day or two after that. At the end of the forecast, it's a little more tranquil. Well, given the fact that it's November, this is the 16th of November. November is not very tranquil in this part of the country. Pretty much a zonal flow, and that means very quick moving systems. We have one system up in Canada, another in southeastern Alaska, one in a little bit of rain and stuff over the south and east. Elsewhere, fairly quiet. When we take a look at the satellite image from last evening, the east did not look very quiet last evening. You can see a frontal system moving pretty much along the eastern seaboard with some showers and thunderstorms. A little bit of severe weather earlier last evening in the mid-south and up into the Ohio Valley. And you can see that here with the watch morning map. You can see a severe thunderstorm watch in Ohio, a tornado watch about to expire in Kentucky and Tennessee. Lots of wind issues in the east and even in the plain states as well. When we take a look at the QPF chart, this is rainfall for the next, or snowfall, or precipitation over the next 5 days through Tuesday evening at 6 o'clock. Showing rainfall amounts around here could be up to a half an inch, but it could be even heavier than that, as we saw earlier.